In this video, I will demonstrate how to set up course subject fees. This option lets you charge a one-time or recurring fee for each subject. Let's get this party started. Navigate to Manage from the main menu, then to Fees and Levies, and finally to Course Subject Fees. Check that you have the correct year and currency, if applicable, before selecting a course. You can enter all fees at once or select a subject, enter the fees, and then click on Update Fee Amounts. Before clicking on the Update Fee Amounts button, make sure you have selected the appropriate option for making the fee recurring by checking Scheduled or once-off by unchecking Scheduled. Finally, press the Update Fee Amounts button. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video, and remember to like, subscribe, and enable notifications on our YouTube channel.